today is day 1, and I will be doing the Tuscan sausage and pepper. It said it take 35 minutes. I already have the spaghetti boiling. I took the stuff out of the box already, so it comes on menus like this to show you what you're doing. And like I said in my last video, I have 4 of them in this box because that's what I purchased for. So start out, it's telling us we need to have a large pot, a pan, a strainer, vegetable oil, and butter. So when I took it out of the box, it came like this. So, and all the bags had what was on it, which I thought was really good because it organized this. So I have this. Parsley. I have the bell pepper. Ooh, almost fell. This, an onion, some Parmesan cheese. I got some Tuscan heat spice and this chicken. So let's start. So I do have some water boiling. Yep, I do have water boiling, and it said I need another pan. Okay, so that is finished. I will have to come back on here and let you guys know how it comes out. I am rushing because I do have to go to work. But yeah, so that, it said it took 35 minutes, but I had already boiled my water before I came home after class. I had did that. I basically know how to cook spaghetti. And besides of the sausage, I did have beef crumbles. It wasn't even beef crumbles, it's a alternate from beef, so I used that instead because I knew I had that, and that didn't come with it, but everything else that I showed, it did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is day 1 of my Hello Fresh episode. So I'll see you guys next time, and I'll let you know how it turns out. Bye.